Alright, so today I'm going to be doing a quick oil change on the Honda, which hopefully should go pretty darn smooth. It's a Honda, so there are two hooks, one for a lower position and then one for more of a service position over on the side. So obviously going for that one. Something I like to do before I start the oil change, 520, but I want to see how much it burned or lost, which, let's see where that lays it. It's not bad at all. I did an oil pan gasket on it a short while ago, so that really helped out. I know that there is a crank pulley oil seal that needs done over here, down there, but I'm going to do that and the timing together. They just correlate with the work, so I'm going to get up under and try to get this jacked up actually, so I can get up under it and release the oil. So I'm going to be taking the fun route and using this nice, really dependable, not dangerous whatsoever, scissor jack that has not been used or welded on whatsoever. Completely safe, so we're gonna go with that. The paint job that was done is incredibly crappy, but I wanted to make this a little bit easier while jacking things up, and instead of trying to put that little pipe through the keyhole right there and trying to spin it, I just went ahead and welded a socket that I was never going to use again, which is 3/4, whatever. So I put that on there, welded it, and it makes trying to lift cars up a lot easier, which this is not my main jack, so. I don't really trust that scissor jack too much in the shop. Regardless, I gotta have it backed by this recalled Pittsburgh floor jack here, so between the two I should be safe trying to claw up under this thing, so no worries there. And a lot of Hondas of that day were used a 17mm for the oil pan, so that's what I'm gonna guess. It's been a little bit since I did the oil change, but here we go. Okay, so if you have your oil pan down here, see if I can do this. Oh, there's like no room. Okay, with this Matco, flip it that way, that down towards the bolt is loosening. So, oh, okay, yeah, I gotta put that down. All right, here we go. So, oh, okay. If you can see that up there, if it'll focus, I think that crankshaft seal went bad, which is probably why, yeah, right there, which is probably why it's leaking down. I can see just a little bit on the oil pan right there. So the gist of it, like the front side, all that seems to be looking pretty darn good. Doesn't look like too much new is coming through, except for maybe, no, well, I mean, as far as that goes, that's all good. Whatever. Oh. Good thing that's made of metal. decided to hold the phone and work on the car. Alright, so that's loose. Now we can get our oil pan here, big old oil pan in the way. Try to keep your hand kind of like around the way. And yeah, like that. Awesome. So I'll let that drain out. This is a 2005. So coming from the front of the motor there to here. The oil filter is in the not so best spot ever. Like down and up under the intake there. That is the hardest thing to get to, but I'm gonna try to do that from up top because the jack that I'm using is it's not safe. It doesn't go high enough to actually for me to fit up under there, you know, comfortably. So especially mentally with that one, but I'm gonna try and grab that out and I'll be right back with you. Mobile One M1 110A came off of it, and it still looks pretty darn good in that hole. You can still see down there, oil don't look too terrible, and it's in filter, so I'm really happy with Mobile One, honestly. So Mobile One's coming off of it. Mobile One's going right back on it. I'm gonna oil this ring up real quick and go reach my arm back in there and put this one back on there. Let's see if I can. Got the bottom buttoned up. Oil filter is back on. I just gotta pour this beautiful blue new juice. I don't know if it's blue, but it is new juice. And I'll go right for it. Yeah, here we go. No funnel necessary. I do believe this calls for 3.8, basically 4 quarts. So I'm gonna wing it and way ball it. Not even eyeball it, just way ball it. Yeah, not one bit spilled. Fantastic. And that was about 3.5 quarts, so put just a little bit more in there. Oh, that time I needed a funnel. Jeez. Alright. Close-up vision is maybe subpar. I don't know. Okay. That's there, that's there. What else I got for this thing? I got one more little trick up my sleeve for a 200,000 mile. I think it's got a 210,000 miles on this Honda now. It's been running pretty darn good, especially for being beat up in Florida here. I'm gonna put just a little bit of that marble, the good old mystery, inside. I can get this one. Yep, got it. And that's good. Okay. Awesome. Now I just got to button this top up here, just like so. You know, before I do that, where'd that freaking rag go? Ah! Covered it with a bag. Alright, here we go. I just want to clean that up just a hair like that. That dot. Okay. Take some of the ash off of there. Alright, so now that's good. Wipe that seal clean, just so that's good. A little snugger up and good to go. I just gotta find my stickers, my permanent marker, replace the next oil change sticker, and go from there. Another 3,000 miles. Alright, mileage is 214,638, and the sticker 214,638. So over by 106 miles. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. So I'll update that and then renew the sticker so that I know, and that'll be that.